What?
It smells like chicken in here.
Smells like chicken.
Yeah.
Is it you? Did you have chicken for dinner?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
No what?
I didn't have chicken for dinner.
It does kind of smell like chicken, huh? Is it you?
No.
What is it?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Hi.
What the heck are you doing?
You smell like chicken now.
Why?
Because I'm so funny at April Fool's jokes.
Why does it smell like chicken?
I put a chicken bouillon cube in the water spout.
Seriously?
Seriously. Isn't that funny?
Weird.
Well, now your whole hair and your whole body's going to smell like chicken tomorrow at school!
Yay!